Okay guys, so you're gonna need 30 volume developer, bleach, a bowl and a brush, some got to be glued, and an edge brush or a toothbrush. So this is a 28 4x4 lace closure wig. As y'all can see, it is deep wave. This hair is from Volys, as y'all seen in the unboxing. I'm gonna insert an unboxing video in the top right while I show you guys how to do this. So I always take the paper that comes with it. So you guys see these baby hairs? What you want to do is take your got to be glued, spray them, and take your toothbrush and push them back, because you don't want those baby hairs to get bleached. You just want them out the way so you're not getting bleach on them. You can do this with water, but I find it's better if you use a holding spray. So I want you to do that. So now, this is the hard part with a lace closure, is bleaching it on a thing. You can always use a wig head, but I like, see, this one's not really staying, so spray some more. Take your toothbrush. Good. You can always use a wig head, but I like a flat surface. It's just gonna be difficult, so there we go, to get it super flat. So yeah, because it is hair underneath. So yeah, so now boom. So when you're bleaching knots, you want your consistency to be thick, and make sure you do this in a well vented area, because bleach is really strong. So I just take a scoop like this, because you don't need a lot for a closure, and I add a little bit. Just a little bit. And you mix it, because you don't want to add too much and you don't want to add too little. So just work in small sections. So add a little bit. Ooh, that looks like too much, but we'll see. Actually, it might be okay. It could be a little thicker. Okay. So look at this. Oh, it's not that thick. So you want your brush to stand up. You want it to be like toupees. So my brush, it kind of stands up, and you don't want it to be runny. So it's not like that bad. I'm gonna add just a little bit of powder so you guys see how much that is. I'm not even gonna add all of it. Actually, there. It needs a little bit more. It's a little too runny for me. It's a little too runny. Yeah, it's too runny for me. So I'm gonna take this that's the best way you can test it. Like, you can work with it and how it was at the beginning, but it's just likely that you may, look at that, can you guys see that? Look at that, it's not coming, but you see the brush kind of doesn't stay standing up, but this is okay for me. But if you're a beginner, you want your powder, oh, there you go, you wanted to do that. No, I just messed it up. You wanted to do that. So what you do is you take it and you apply it like this. You want to apply pressure, but not a lot of pressure, like barely any pressure, because you don't want to get it to seep through the hair, seep onto the hair, because then you'll have over bleached knots. You can use a butter knife, a spoon, anything to apply this. You don't even have to have this bowl or this brush. When I first started out, I was bleaching my knots with a plastic container, like, you know, the one that you put food in. And yeah, it was just only for that though, because it has chemicals in it. But yeah, you can wear gloves when you do this, but I don't wear gloves. So I try not to get it at the bottom, but I did. So because that part really doesn't need to be bleached, because you're gonna be covering your tracks with that part. So yeah, like, as you guys see how much, like, I still have a whole bunch of product left, like, so let's do this and set a timer for 15 minutes. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm gonna try to show you guys. This is how the knots look, okay? And I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Yeah. So this is what I do. Echo, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
Boom. And I'm gonna keep you guys updated. This is how the knots are looking right now. So that you can see if the inside of your knots are getting bleached. So, all right, y'all. So when you turn it over, most of the bleach comes off onto whatever you turned it over. So make sure you turn it over onto something that you're not gonna ruin. So what you're gonna do is just rinse. So this is how the knots look. So right now you would want to use purple shampoo, which I don't have purple shampoo, but I have this shampoo, which is a yellow out conditioner, which does basically the same thing as purple shampoo, because you want to get that brassy yellowness out of your knots, which this is. After I rinsed out the bleach and everything, I co-washed the hair and I plucked it, and that's the finished product. Thanks for watching. Bye.